Hello everyone, welcome to the BoldSign API tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create reusable custom fields using BoldSign PHP SDK. If you're new to BoldSign, check out our Getting Started videos linked in the description below. I'll show you how to create custom form fields, customize them, and apply them when sending signature requests. Imagine you're an HR manager handling the onboarding process, and you frequently send documents such as onboarding forms to new hires. These forms often include recurring attachment fields, for example, uploads of a national ID or passport. By creating and customizing these fields in advance, you can simply drag and drop them onto any document when sending signature requests. This saves significant time and eliminates the need to recreate or reconfigure the same fields for every onboarding document. Alright, let's jump in and I'll show you how to do that. Before we start, make sure you have PHP version 7.4 or higher installed, then install the BoldSign PHP SDK. You can install the BoldSign PHP SDK package using Composer. To install the SDK, copy this command and add it into your project composer.json file. Then run the Composer install command in the terminal to install the dependencies. Since I have already installed it, I confirm the setup by running this command. As you can see, the package is installed and ready to go. To create a custom form field, I navigate to the developer documentation, copy the PHP code snippet, and paste it into my project file. Next, I update the code. In the API configuration, I set my API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't generated your API key yet, you can do so by logging into the BoldSign web app, navigating to the API section, selecting API keys, and generating a new key. The custom field API object initializes the interface that will handle all custom field related operations through the API. I pass the configured API key to it. I create the custom form field object. In this example, I'm setting the field type to attachment, allowing the signer to upload a document such as a national ID or passport while filling out the form. I also mark the field as required, so the signer must upload the file before they can complete the signing process. Next, I configure the attachment information. This includes setting a title, providing a brief description for the signer, and specifying the allowed file formats. In this example, I restrict the accepted file types to PDF and image files only. These settings help guide the signer and ensure they upload the correct type of document. Next, I define the custom field details. I assign the field a name National ID and set the brand ID so the field is linked to the correct brand configuration. To get the brand ID, I go to the BoldSign web app, open the branding section, and click the context menu and select the Use Brand ID option to copy it. I paste it back in my code. I also enable the shared field property so that everyone in the organization can use this custom field when preparing documents. Once all the configurations are complete, I call the Create Custom Field method on the Custom Field API object and pass in the custom field details defined earlier. I run the script. The API creates a new custom form fields. You can now use this custom field when creating templates or preparing new documents. Now let me show you how to use these custom fields when creating documents. Assume you have embedded the BoldSign request link inside your application to send documents for signing. After uploading the files and adding the signer details, click the Save and Proceed button to move to the Configure Fields page. On the left panel, you'll see two tabs, Standard and Custom Fields tabs. When you open the Custom Fields tab, it displays all the custom fields you previously created. From here, you simply drag and drop the custom field onto the document, just like any other field, and click the Send button to send the document for signature. just like that, fast and effortless. No more repetitive field creation or customization. Please note that only account administrators can create shared custom fields that are visible to the entire organization. Other users can create custom fields only if the Allow Custom Field creation property is enabled in the brand settings. Fields created by these users are for personal use only and won't be visible to others in the organization. That's it. You've now learned how to create custom form fields, customize them, and apply them when sending signature requests. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more BoldSign API tutorials.